Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restore your photos, videos in your gallery app in your POCO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to open gallery, and friends, then you can see open album, and here it is a deleted items. You can see this, it is a deleted item. You have to just press one of them like I show you. Click on photo, and here it is a photo. You can see this. I have to just delete that item. Press back, then you have to click on other, click on this, swipe down, deleted items. You can see this, just long presses, and here it is the restore. Click on restore, and friends, you can see the photos is restored in 60 days. You can see after 60 days it will be permanently deleted. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.